Namaste, my dear loving student. Me, Moti Prasad Sharma from Joint School family. Today I am going to teach you Social Study of Standard 9, Unit 3, Nation 3.5. In my previous video, I have taught some of the luminaries and their contribution, and some more luminaries are also there, so I want to explain about their contribution of our country. So up to previous lesson I have completed up to Arnico. Now I am going to start this Amar Singh Thapa. Amar Singh Thapa, very well known warrior of our country. Amar Singh Thapa was a great warrior who was also known as the living lion of Nepal. The sole credit of expanding Nepal up to Kangra and Ravi River in the west goes to him. Due to him, we have extended our territory up to there. He sacrificed his life for the sake of his nation. His nation means our nation, and got involved in saving the prestige of our country till the end of his last breath. So Amar Singh Thapa, he was also a great warrior. He is also known as the living lion of our country, and he helped extend the territory of our country, and he sacrificed his life for the nation. After that, Bhimsen Thapa. Bhimsen Thapa, he made many social, economic and military reform in our country. He was honored as the first reformist Prime Minister in Nepal. During his period also, he has made so many changes in our country. Due to this also, he became very famous. After that, Balbhadra Kunwar. Balbhadra Kunwar was a great warrior of Nepal and hero of Khalanga. He fought a very decisive war against the British East India Company. In Khalanga, and defeated the enemies. His bravery has been astonished by the whole world. Even the British also, they made him a great salute. By looking his bravery, even the British East India Company, they praise him due to his bravery. After that, Bhanubhakta Acharya. Bhanubhakta Acharya, very well known. Bhanubhakta Acharya was a very great poet and a nationalist. He translated the Ramayana into Nepali language and wrote many articles. His work unified all Nepalis and made Nepali as a common language through the literacy activity. So due to Bhanubhakta Acharya, so many people they can able to know about the Ramayana. After that, Motiram Bhatta. Motiram Bhatta dedicated his short life in the development of Nepali language. He searched for the scriptures, which are scriptures means here and there, some of the works of the Bhanubhakta, and highlighted the literacy work in his honor. He also wrote many books and develop Nepali language and literature. So these are some of the contribution which is made by the Motiram Bhatta. After that, King Tribhuvan. King Tribhuvan, you are very well known. He was also known as the father of democracy. The credit of introducing democracy of Nepal goes to King Tribhuvan. He played a very important role, or we can say very great role, in ending the Rana rule in 2007. In our country, at that time, the Rana they are ruling, and this Rana they have ruled in our country for 104 years. This 104 years Rana rule, it became end. He brought democracy in our country on 7th Fagun 2007 by joining his hand with the revolutionary in the anti-Rana movement as a member of Praja Parishad. Praja Parishad, that is also a sort of political party. He supported the armed revolution against the very cruel regime of the Rana, very cruel rule of the Rana, and he left the palace. When the Delhi Agreement was signed among the three groups, this one also we can call the triangular tripartite agreement. King Tribhuvan in one side, here Ranas, and here is the Nepali Congress. So this agreement is also we call Delhi Agreement, tripartite agreement. When the Delhi Agreement was signed among the three groups, King Tribhuvan himself, Nepali Congress, and Rana delegates are there. King Tribhuvan, Ranas, and Nepali Congress, and democracy, it was introduced in our country in 7th Fagun 2007. So this is very important thing in the history of our country. And here another, that is the Shankadhar Sakwa. Shankadhar Sakwa, he was the founder of Nepali Sambat. Nepali Sambat, do you know? BS. He collected gold from the sand of Vishnumati and freed the people of Kathmandu for their loans and debt. Debt means a sort of loan. Clear? Read. He is one of the national hero of our country. And Pasang Lamu Sherpa. Pasang Lamu Sherpa was an ambitious woman who climbed Mount Everest for the first time among Nepali women. But she died while she was returning from the peak. She is addressed as the bold woman of our country. And last one, Mahaguru Falgunanda. Mahaguru Falgunanda was a very great social reformer, leader, and philosopher who brought many reforms in the Kirat culture. He launched a campaign for pursuing the Kirat to offer fruits in place of animals and alcohol at the time of their rites and ritual. Something still now also we are looking at most of the people, they are offering animals in the name of God. So he wants to stop this tradition. So these are some of the luminaries of our country and their contribution for our nation. I think you all understood this one? Okay then. Thank you. Namaste.